Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. After releasing the fingers, you can see that here we've got the recents. You can close them one by one just by swiping them up, or go to the very left and tap on clear all to close them all. Now we can go back to the recents, and as you can see that here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.